Mother Nature's deadliest winds. Tornadoes often happen when cold air meets the warm air above. They mix together and they form a shape called a funnel cloud. Tornadoes may be very strong, super fierce, or maybe, like this picture, a tornado can be calm. Scientists are still trying to figure out when tornadoes happen during the season. This whirling wind is known as a cone tornado for its size and color. This tornado is known as a stovepipe tornado because of the fierce winds it brings. This tornado is known as a rope tornado because of how thin and small it is. This tornado is known as a wedge tornado because of the thunder and lightning it brings.